Dieni, come water, and come di bravo, oh, hime, whiny. Dieni, come water, and come di bravo, and so any many, although any many, come water, and come di bravo. Nanso anyimeni oro anyimeni kame oda.
Do you like him?
Hey! Just know you. Do you know what he is?
I'm just talking with your mother.
Me do be fi ase bobo me ni. Me do ba se be chichire wa busua wa. Nko modifo bi eni fi a. Mano ka che osisa betra. Sorry besin. Sorry besin.
Excuse me, come back.
Sorry besin. Sorry. Besin. Excuse me. But I'm going to say, dear Machiro, and then I say, what you say?
I'm just talking to your mother. Nothing.
Huh? Go, you got your children. Who probably didn't come up? What? When you could never, as some son. What can you rack here? We have few probably didn't come up. Hey! Oja pade na samo TV ni ba so na wo bibi nko mo difu ni buwa na oba bia mbi ba fi ade mpesa na ana wa no beto ni yo we get it
Oh my God. What is this? Yay! Say the AGYA.
Go inside. Son of catch up. Son of catch up. Huh? Son of catch up now. And I'm doing by saying mommy couldn't come up.
Fine.
Remember, on come on for me of ya. Let me that home. What for me? My son for. Sika papa bi. A good dear been brady bi na gu ha. A some boma me at on say wafa. Wafa the ganya abrame hu hwe. E ba ne say one ma kwan say son for. Calling me mommy couldn't come.
So they may bad. They actually also could be BD. That's why I went downstairs.
Who could be dia? Nyam na do ba fia. I didn't tell to me we said any film o. Baba. Ah, o baba busia. No be cancer market here me boa. Me ma me na nkasa ti wo no. We commentator kanka ends. Agache. One kasa o be suja, anasa o be henkwan. Nonsense. Katem say na come do. Baba. Meketa mani bati no awro tade na hyew ni nyina gu ho. Ahyewo. Sha. Twamamboni. Mama me fo ahyewo la. Na mama me fo ahyewo la ya. Wo nya ho ni mama. Me mama no to no. Me na me buafu no no ni nipa ketwa. Oyambazado no si ho no. Afi no oba retire. What? Nonsense. Remove. What tade na mama. Rufus when you India film been out here. Make us some children and him to be what? Said you wager what if you know our car. What I didn't go. I shall go.
Me pacho. My friend is if you said me shall we?
Oh. Zero. Unya show. Ah. Now, let them be found. No, why I saw them. Baby mbeshia on a parliament and na say mo ye player towers na mo na mo ye empaabo ade ama atutu ahun ha baby mbe na shewo na wo so ni mi dia no and na say mo ye player towers na mo na mo ye empaabo ade ama atutu ahun ha baby mbe na shewo na wo so ni mi dia no me catch you say me kura metum because nye faako one place na me wisu na fi di bibi.
Actually, I know that me hear some de me who she say Germany. And now better me be da.
Oh, so I shall virgin. Virgin I shall ube munche. And you are lucky. Senra, Mimi Moon, and I'm before no buy. Now, how ye printing mistake now cover you remark for Nibia. As I do the wood when sending what dra, unimdra. Ha! Me didn't console me before passing me be used to make you our car. So the bay the other bay out here. One cassa. He no free. Now, Tibia and send our Bob Rest will say. When you show Chirami, I'm children in Tiamicasa.
It's a long story.
Long story. In a headache.
My father, it's the former judge.
Tis I knew me to watch a party, but you, because I knew the hits. Whiny. Oh, make us a whiny, make sure. Whiny.
No, I don't like the way you starting it.
Which way do you like it? Just pick the key I'm singing. Whiny. Jenny. Come water. Anka me di brewo. Good.
Oh,
Let's go. Yeah, you can sing, baby. You can sing.
All right.
You get the voice.
Whiny. Jenny.
Come water. Anka me di brewo. Baby, you killing me. One more time.
Whiny.
Jenny. Anka me water. Anka me di brewo.
So dear
Wanyimeni. Odo wanyimeni. Come water. Listen to this one. Yeah. And Ella Michono. Bye. Baby, I'm a depani. Nansu wanyimeni.
Odo wanyimeni. Come water.
Anyone say what voice out? Nti kwe. What they call so papa. Introducing with a hit.
Me papa no more. You know my father is a difficult man.
Oh, come on, baby.
Anyway, what I'm going to be cutting.
Where this can be this can be feels at meme level, no, a new local level. The corner international to say Jay-Z, Kelly, Joe Thomas.
You're right.
Sangrophone.
Okay.
So you're very cash. Very soon.
We have to work hard.
Oh, come on, baby. This is a hit track.
No guys won't fit you one. You worked day and night. Yeah.
Okay, I will start day and night. How about that?
No problem.
Day and night.
No problem.
Once more.
Okay, let's go.
Whiny. Jenny. Come water. Anga me di brew. And then so wanyimeni. Odi oji midiu.
Wanyimeni.
Come water. Anga me di brew. Whiny. Jenny. Anga me di brew.
And you want to chum to
featuring Nani, you know.
And so wanyimeni.
Me do wanyimeni. Come water. Anka me di brew. Bo, you know what, Mechi.
Okay, whiny.
Kicking no bono.
Okay. Whiny.
Jenny, come water, and come with the brew. Thank you. And yeah, where your double?
Okay, whiny.
Jenny, come water, and come with the brew.
And so all that wanyimeni.
Would you give me you?
Where Maracas?
Yeah, catch. Come on, I'm you.
Ay.
Ododia welcome me there. Ododia welcome. You will see Cado. You what the kind. You are who fedo. And you welcome Mudo. And so many wood idea. Away. Akumamudo. Seminya bia. Michelle Power. What's that started? Ododia welcome. Ododia wakumem sasa ododia wakumem mide ododia wakumem odotie me you wasuna bie me wade papa mo che wote me nia bie me entietie wa wofo ma me nkodo ne sudwafo sika ye sika odoso ye odopa ya kasi edi shema we ko studio no ye shema ho we dey wakume kra we dey so hu hwe ma me kofi na me hye ntena se na me nchoro ne ye ko studio ne ye ko kangum enyum we bet me a hit you sa hit me ka big hit so get me tie enyum we me ka bibia no da so eno ne papa da so ye sa la oboa ebe fa ye fa ba ko won ba get me the open me pa na ne papa no
mbia no me ma fa mu da hwe me start ye sa oba na me nam me ye ya wampene ne papa no ebusuafo bia o mampene o mo tisima ye het no kai be hwe na fa mu di machi me ya davi me kuku no mu di machi bebre hwe e tro mo same sumo sika me hwe
e ma na se oba no
hwe oba no ene ne ma me no na busuafo na mo mpira wa ye no so before me ya bom ni pia
ene se me hitia papa no kra o be di machi
o hitia me ka bia se papa no o ko sho be kuta ntale ama
baby ende anhwa entumi nsi o
hwe no obenya se ne ba aware superstar a whole superstar
ene onim mama me David ma de kuku ni kakra
o si aboko mo se dia akofa
mama no kakra
o be aboko wo de akoshe be bi to da mara kuku ntina o so ti ya no hu se ne
mati ba ze ede
because David ma de kuku meple koko de kala na fifi laje no aje so ayo David ma de kuku meple koko de kala na fifi laje hey nyani devia kata nyani la iko de magu kwa pele fikla jimaji la homanike na dunuma dununa kwa fatiri de chi devia kata ba fla meple koko de kala koko la homa ezato David ma de kuku na mi to gbe na yile ho hey David ma de kuku lo hai hey chale mi awoni make sure say nyumwe oh
chale za onyum ne de do ba ni ma o say me di we hiti
me see we de be hete me na me ka
say ne be ya papa ni obe fili ni
ono timi mo be ka so won ba ne ho dwempa say ne awtimi ni e kiro nyum we ma ne ba no ene nyoma no me say
ene o say me di vlogs di shem obi ba vlogs ye say me nya sika me hwewa manabunso vlogs ye me de ododia wa on say me di vlogs di shem e be de
pa be de vlogs ni di no aga ni di ada sa na olusu gari sa no mo ntie ni ma me ne papa no hwe bi da bi sa de wo yo ba ntie sa nyoma no ba ma no pena do no and found sikania no you a musician footballer so a footballer doctor a dead crowd apart from so I am robber don't know I know crime robber and a crowd
ni sika wuni obuo. Wuni biswa dren padu be ko wom. Sika ni person worry sikeni. Wuni ni person worry deni. Ejuma bia ejuma. I'm for sa wo ya judge, doctor, soldier, minister, labourer, teacher, and I said driver. And so young to 40 years, you will see us say, a BC a pema, a BC in no crack, a BC a shakra. That's how we are question for. That's why you've been crying. But now we're one any jar. Yanum na wabo, party I say, yes, Yanum na wabo, Adore I say, Yanum na wabo, radio to TV, so Yanum na wabo, Kahunu send them to 4. Yes, you won't fast swapper. Inti Kahunu send them to 4. Say, yes, you won't fast swapper. Nice, you're doing it. I love it.
Okay, so now let me try this one.
Anoma bay, mere menya prebo, nyobia wami prebo, ajani bi, nyobia wami prebo.
Let me play this. Stop it.
Okay, come on, play.
I don't like that.
Mere menya prebo, nyobia wami prebo, ajani bi, nyobia.
Hey, no catch on no matter what if you're never in a fear prebu. Oh, it's it, Frost. And what I'm a mobile friend, oh, Madachima. Oh, when me what papa, Dachim, because Metawabo Sado, it's a animal to the prebu. Every man, what if you are? Hey, young man, when did you enter this premises?
Father, he is my friend and he has every right to come here.
Hey, stop! Oh!
Father!
Is there somebody? Why is somebody not look there? If you are, now have an hour now. You! Into me, you have bravo in Ewa. Check yourself. Check yourself. Me, you have bravo in Ewa. It's a sign you pay Jenjafo. Do what with ya? No guitar the witchy. What one you with Jenjang? What did this step? Concentration. Look, who told you I built this house for irresponsible young men? Hey, Cratchit. Come on, leave my house. Leave my house! No, catch you there. Me see them if you guitarists and musicians.
Father, you can't do that.
I can't do what? Hey! Hey! You better remember what if you have. Frost, come back home. I'm talking to my daughter, and she is waving that stupid boyfriend of hers. Hey! Come! Frost, why are you disgracing me? And you have to be around for the musician. Oh!
Father, listen, I...
Kafa at least engineer, chartered accountant. I mean doctor, medical doctor, not ordinary doctor. And I am Panka for software. Away you Bishop be. None call enter me promises. None at least. One pay shake a creme if you have. Come on, musician. I put the word money. Even can open your door having an animal. Frost, I'm talking to you.
Listen, I am old enough to choose whoever I want to.
Ready, fool! Mama, catch your day. Where do you paka? You what's the trouble? What they call massage baby? I got on. On the touch your day. Mary, you're a fair rep. She may be a winner for Naka Sedu. No fair young men. Why enter the premises? Do you want them to rap you in my house? At least, Sanka football and pa. And Kayaba Fandamara. Because this time, you will be the more school to work a ball. Let them on you go sing your watching. Come on, guitar. Man, I'll catch them in your guitar with you.
Father, look, I am tired of all this. I can take care of myself. That's what you...
Hey, Frost! Hey!
I know my body is your partner, but me sing. And then it be a Jenny better man in the middle. If you ask my way, when it's sick, when you're broke. When it be swag, drinking part of the room. Sick of the person, what we sick any. When the person, what we any. It may be I do my. I'm for some way, judge, doctor, soldier, minister, leverer, teacher, and I said driver. And so young to 40 years, we are say, a busy up a man, a busy and no crack, a busy as a crack. That's how we are question for.
Jim.
Fine. Frost or what?
Me between.
How about time never seen call Jim?
Me she war.
You who word? I want to some put me here when you was in Comobi Jim. Now, when you work as done,
Me patcho me biso.
and your producer.
Me patcho David.
Can you sing one line of your track?
Me to me livi.
Yeah.
Near my penya crocuro. Sabema baji ni suwe. Sabema bedadano. Amani trima and a dead.
Jim.
Daddy.
Anyway, it's a good track. Actually, yes, watch man, come on, quiet.
Ube produce me.
Jim, I said later.
That's it.
Hey, Jim, come. Jim.
Daddy.
In your Frost easy, and you know whom come here, them here.
Me patcho anda no kra me catch and say on cancho nanka produce. Patcho.
Jim.
Daddy.
In your area. But the net you go wally da na to san owa. Jim. Abayedu. Nkola mu botu.
Daddy. And then me first time.
Ready fool. If you be an answer mine. Nyankopon no wa domam. E mebo pre wodo. Oba tampana no dodo so nti. Na wa no me baba na so we pe. Nka boto nkwase atopa na egodo.
Incremento.
Ready fool. Jim.
Daddy.
Don't forget that I am a former Chief Justice. My influence, abem. In a way, but to my madam, our police station po, in fact, your own compo. Where we shall free nara, but to me the whole gum, Opiara and Kamashi. former Chief Justice like me. Na me problem wa ba mi fie. Wa bo wo ma. Umenye nananu ma. In a common musician. Common musician. Akwadwo fa what da ho. Musicians are wesum ada. Na guitars de da wo kon ho. Won nantiri huntuma. Wotiri ma ye dwu nkoti. Won na mapado. Na etitira mubu hu a me invite won wo ba wo hwa mo so na ase. Imagine the Ibrahim po na what the bafram. Jim. Sapede nyoba papa. Emma banze. Ompare nyankopon do owu agine hoye. Benyama ba waren. No. Nemo mrutofo. Osan the education background. Oye very poor nti. Oba papa te. Alabraka. Jim. Ko Sagitan ko to baby. Na kapya lawyer. Doctor. Chartered accountant. Engineer. He a businessman mpa nka mo consider. Say a businessman mpa nka mo consider. No son education background ti game. Da mo ba ya benyo ba papa bi na waren. Jim. Repemba wa be mi fe ya wo nananuma ka betse wo sisum na abo wo nkwasiama
Gamenti
ize gufia ready full fia kwa jenjam ba must I tell you not to associate yourself with ordinary people?
But Father, you know well that I cannot marry a man who is 10 years older than I am.
Stop it! Stop it! Look! Minya papa funa what's in her? When you shahay Mohammed Messia Fonum, what's the one brabo? Kasha ayebiagunensa tete ho ye ho pasan ansa no hwanya bo wo den. As long as I remain as your father, I will never allow that.
Well, Father, Jim has a future, and with time you're going to see it.
Who told you I have that nonsense time to waste? Who told you? Who told you? Look, you have only 7 days to decide. Either the boy Eric. Another wabra one basho kwan aya pasa. Inko hu baby adu wabra one bafa. Get out from my sight. I'm talking to you. Get out from my sight. Come on, leave my home. Leave now, my daughter. I only knew prodigal son, but I've never heard anything about prodigal daughter. And you are becoming something that uncontrollable, but I will stop you.
Mom.
Yes,
Nico. Me quarry has us.
Oh, na man kan chode nya botal na hwa ha mama na pay na mon kwambra man ka fanya man fambra.
E bia o ko fanya ma che me time aso me quarry has us.
Me ncha adi ncha wa na oda ko kafa nya me wa na kafa ba. Sese yin sem na milk ha short nya ma bi yin na short wa ha no. Nti ehu na se ma fa adwene bi ati bi ham kakra. Ehu da nya me ncha wa na kafo enso pene basa ikwa na amjo besi wo tataw na wotata wa ye kor aye bi na atodwe basa menyi dadanyo mempia asem ya nti na mesemo kwama aba nti awunya abotar nti mamon kwamra
me call rehearsal time aso
nya abotar na rehearsal se ne bokwohwe na mum hwade bi yeyo afa besia be ya kaka no dwi high court judge ni be na so kwa retirement ni be inje nti do no no wa bonkrofo pa ma wotata wodam no
ma jai Mr. ADO ntimi nya sada
odo efra wenwa odo efra wenwa sisu waswa mama ka nyina nti moli kwadu nyina ihu hwe me pa chaw wala nyime de minyipi kakre yala adom hai kra ya ba hai bra ya ansana we rehearse ampo nkaban na kra ncha ya perfect onam de no de ye disika babaje henti no egbo break kakra mala mencha hotel fo kra was woje dokonewa was a 7 guest bi why is a 40 said abrofa wo di dokon mencha wo yima bag na pram na
o cha baba na me matum ko
atumu kwa boko me bago mpocho wala sama menchalo
me de ba
Hello. Hi, Mom. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miraba.
Me pacho Jimo.
Jimmy ho. Practice kaka mo friend rehearsals no nyo or carry heads kaka na guitar ya na ombe. Na emo modern krama ma dey. Mamfa mam. Ewa. Since mama we gwa na
no ma
dama. Be jawo na
pacho ai. Oni odi ami me kosusia.
Na onye tenten bia. Onye dey ehu dey. Nansen temi. Say ehu dey ayede armed robbers akonfon watatagim pene basa na nansen yawo 3 times watatanu wo brona som dan obene hu n'enyim nyina moja nyedadze won bipo na wo je fi no mo ye won ponyi de ncha wo yere wodam na ska kaka wo ho na waage phone kita wa na waage won je na hwe wo birim ne dama na wa wo ne tikor na me menyin menwe firi kakra metsemen watu foma metsema dwene bubua mama wanyi deja sabe mama ya high class na ye penye na ba pia wo papa so no na wa bonkrofo pa da wanya me bedamo ona no kitamo wa ha obi anyim ona ndanche metsema so tutu fom kakra aya na matin wa ha was adi obeye lawyer ya da no breathe beye lawyer ya hada wa han krofo obi nyim da kro ya dabon ensi chime nankasa create no hofo ono ye ne de ba mambo wa manze man kan chiro de aye hu kakra nsi no nche obeye anche muto nkwanta anja mo apai nti nkatino baby no nsen baby ana mposo sabotum apia kwai bi do mampanyfo bi nyo papa kasa ana wa pobotum esuengu papa da na wa atase za wonu tsincha tsi shoko fiafia de mide sencha obefi ankasa papa
Mom pacho ojidi se me ba ko betimi ansa
o papa se ja wanyi we jaja obi mfa nansa bi nkume nkyere na eja fi kwan sina papa zo botumai nyame nyim botumai pa kakra wa ye mukroma ha emranti enkanka mranti a wo hye wo ho dem wo pede wo bembien wo no ze yidwom anka dem kura kakra ehu obenya charge za abo nti meraba it's my porcho sama sete hiase tichime sama kan chode kwanta na amaatun ka ho mpai sanso botuma pempanyimfo bi mo onye papa we nya papa kasa kire ana wan kasa botuma ko papa na enyim nye na kasa ma wanya no ho ntase ma dance so abemza one do kwan dem That's so good. You'll be fear. Say, me Pedro, now shy you. Tassa, my hand. Mamma Pocho. Tassi.
Oh, but you miss her quite a crack.
Quantum, I.
Now I know you could kill an innocent man just because you hate him.
What are you talking about?
Father, don't pretend. Yes, it's all over town that you've hired armed men. And don't lie about that.
Yes. Yes! I can kill a man that tries to destroy the future of my only daughter.
Yes. Now I know how you made your money. You are a killer!
You fool! How dare you to insult me? I'm your father! God.
Ankwanume, anumoyeniwa, Ankwanume, anumoyeniwa, medemenya prabo, minyobiabu ami prabo, menim nibi, machin nibi ay, minyobiabu ami prabo, medemenya prabo, minyobiabu ami prabo, ananibi, ajanibi ay, minyobiabu ami prabo.
Anumaba insio pa na bu mi sen mini papa mini mami abeda manyo no mebuo ewiasema yati uwo sika uwo buo uni bisu adwendwen pa de ubekọ uwom sika ni person wari sikani onye no sudia ne hwan ni ejuma bia ya ejuma emfa wo sa wo ye judge doctor soldier minister labourer teacher anase driver eswa na nimtofo a yese yanyasei yese ye pema ya boabo no hyehye yesa so pema yesa so yakodifo anso iba ni dia anuma na abon eba ne sa awrahuma anuma na obon
Ankwanume, anumoyeniwa, Ankwanume, anumoyeniwa, medemenya prabo, minyobiabu ami prabo, machin nibi menim nibi, minyobiabu ami prabo, medemenya prabo. Minyobiabu ami prabo, ananibi, ajanibi, minyobiabu ami prabo.
I want to say, Anumaba insio pa na bu mi sen mini papa mini mami abeda manyo no mebuo ewiasema yati uwo sika uwo buo uni bisu adwendwen pa de ubekọ uwom sika ni person wari sikani onye no sudia ne hwan ni ejuma bia ya ejuma emfa wo sa wo ye judge doctor soldier minister labourer teacher anase driver eswa na nimtofo a yese yanyasei yese ye pema yesa so yakohwifo yesa so crash hye yehwe we nyina nkosi hwe
eno dia pupu medemenya prabo, minyobiabu ami prabo, nanim nibi, machin nibi, minyobiabu ami prabo, medemenya prabo.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
Yeah, two and I don't know down.
Huh? What do you want here?
Come on, I'm here to see you.
You here to see who?
You.
You can't see me. Just walk out of here.
You can't do this. What is wrong with you?
I can do what? I want you to get this straight, okay? My life is at stake here. And I was saying me chuche bibia so short. Eh? Who papa catch me say, Memfa guitar no ento ho. Na mendo. Memfa me guitar. Memfa me destiny ento ho. Love any destiny. Me choose bako. My father destiny.
Hey, Esdo, come on, say something.
Say something. What do I have to say? Mr. Wase kwako. O papa, omo ye wedding. O papa no mama, omo ye wedding. Yen enum to for yen ana omo di omeni. Yen nyom na omo di omeni. Ana de omo ayo omo say skeni na ape. Na ye musicians dey yen ye say ye akwadufo ye say Mr. Wa ko skeni na apa Barack Obama. O skapa mananya preparation ma na ko ho. Masa pamno ni antwa nyom no so.
Just sorry, go. Just get out of here. Get move. Sorry, for not me Juma then. What do you want from me? Do you want to kill me or what? That's it. Sorry. Sorry, call. Call. Madam, come. Call. Come on, please, can you be my call. Let's see our two of you. Okay, now you are. Sorry.
Oh, now go away. Away.
Just get out. Go.
Okay. I will go.
Leave here. Move. Come on.
Wait.
Just move here. Get out of here. Move.
Come on, slow.
X. Me say, I don't make off your papa ni hwe ensa gu manim. E ka kitu e bi nanka mani fra. Na madane oni panua.
Sa ensa na apetesi ana say whiskey.
Mitimi umpo.
Hwe, mama ka sem cho forget some asem no. Ya kokor we Ghana broni o. Hwe, forget some asem we so nya hit say kai. E ma bedi wachi no me ka bibia obedwane. Na me hit ya den top ba no manko. E ma ne sam say on broni na me na ba. Oh, me ya 4. The bia mo no keme do. Ya pa brofo na nya Ghana ni broni o say ope ka chene so ope skeni awale a onko Barack Obama ho. Obenye skeni wo ho no. I say jigita no nya fa de
kra me ya nto ayi ne so.
Kwanume.
Yeah.
Kwanume. Anumohianewa.
Yeah.
Kwanume.
Yeah.
Kwanume. Anumohianewa.
Yeah.
Meremeya prebo. Minyobia boami prebo. Marim nibi madanibi. Meremeya prebo. Minyobia boami prebo. Ananibi.
What do you think you are doing, my daughter?
I'm going away.
I'm going away. Look, my daughter. I am your father. Look, everything that I have is for you. And where are you going to? Atibiara Mazamakra. Sukura Makwa. Ijapatibiara Mapa. What shall we say? Your daddy wants you to make this little sacrifice. Just a little sacrifice your daddy needs from you. To leave that stupid boyfriend of yours. And come home. And I, your father, AD, will embrace you. My beautiful daughter.
Father, since my plea to marry Jim has not reached your approval, I would like to go out there. I prefer going out there to start a new life. Probably as a prostitute.
Prostitute what?
A prostitute, Father, you heard me right.
Cute? Beautiful. Beautiful. Look, my daughter. On your phone, what you bought? Metanimo? Is this Abubonano? Don't try the other side of your daddy. The Emmy? Namu. Try me and see.
What are you going to do, Father?
Try me and see.
What are you going to do? I'm not going to be a daughter of a man who has no conscience. Yes. And to disown me is like a dream come true. It's better you disown me.
Disown you?
For me to have love and freedom. And to stay here and die. Excuse me. Have a good night, Father.
Sazi! Sazi! Hey, watchman, come on! Lock the gates! Lock the head! Lock the gates!
It didn't patch up. It's so very, very sorry. Mrs. Atibiana, Munamsuno. Na before the buy, Intina Mammy Casachosan. If you are saying, be saying, maybe an yim. In a pessoa baby shami, Namsuma baby show. Can't so papa a judge, me baby, if you say, Miss me papa. No, I am ambassador. Impo president to crown a one vote and could be president. Me, mammy, or Koya, no, and couldn't come away. Why ambassador paying? Na I'm say the nyame hwehwe no ti kebeya me nu mienu yinya sa tibia na ye komu no na yehwe so mo ye brawati.
Okay. Mia, that is not the way I want to live my life. I go yes, I say me nya de makoma pedia, I say it's me here, baby. Hi. Please, who is this? Whose picture is that?
That picture we your bar or that's we uncle your bar or Damakumba. Imagine say, or none of many bubble bra. And so you could play to be able to say the name, me, and then on country as if one be where we got in some metro. Nayana Makaino, Tinmakofa. Name the media can't be seen in bed. Which necessary share. I did teach them a break a cracker. Now their own tears as it should be. Now, come to you, but if you things also feel, but
Mama Mira was so much. My kind of relationship and
Whiny, whiny, Jenny, Jenny, come your dad, none come in brow. And so what I want you, Mandy. Oh, the one you, Mandy. Come your dad, none come in brow. Whiny, whiny. Jenny, Jenny, come here, down and come in the brow. And so what do you want, Jimendi? I don't want Jimendi. Come here, down and come in the brow. Whiny, whiny. Danny, Danny, come Come what down and come in a bro.
Thank you so much. Do you do this always?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You see, I want to thank you for everything that you've done to my son to bring him back to his senses. I should have met you earlier.
Mother, it's my joy to know that I've been able to bring joy to your son's life.
Look at me, my daughter. I have more than enough money to make you happy. I don't want you to go. Stay back and do everything that you can to rejuvenate my son for me. Huh? You will never regret it, okay?
Mother, I don't need money. I've come to realize that there's blessing in helping somebody to be happy than me being hurt.
Yes. You sure? Thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank God bless you. Thank you so much. Stop what you're doing. Let's sit down.
I almost through.
No, stop it.
Really?
Let's sit down. Are you comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. My daughter.
Mother.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself? I mean, where you come from, your background, your father, your mother. Come on.
I was not a prostitute. I've lost my mother. And my father is the former judge, Mr. Dixon.
Who?
The former Supreme Court judge.
The Supreme Court judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Goodness. He was a classmate of my husband. And how come you became a prostitute?
It's a long story,
It's
Mom.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay.
Drive away.
Aba kwaba.
No.
Oko office.
No office.
Pesa me de ko makakra. Well, anya bone won say can I person busa about Floxy. So, say, what do you think of her?
About your sister?
Ono dia oba o life me who say ono kwa na aneneko. Say for some time nanka oba we ba no ko oba we ba no ko oba we ba no ko. But Floxy by me who say won na try check akra. Yeah, also o hard working. Obwade o educated. Oh. Sabi on fi bonemu. Intinka na bese me who say Sepeya nanka me starting your preparations na. Yem hwe na mo ware.
Man. Floxy hofe. Very nice, very hard worker. Frifipem. Ni papa obi ni mama obi. But me nye madwen se me wale sisi. Impu se me ware a. Me am so oba ne nsa de na ba be kirewo. Adentina ntimi nya me life mama na tam ame ho be so ma continue no matu.
Me ba. Minim sani ositi. Minim sani nansan sebe etutufo yem ko na mo ba. But me won say what I'm saying is say oh yes serious I meet me hu. So meet me who say floss it one na yes serious. So unti hwe na enware no mam. Na mo settle me nyini o.
Mesre wad. Tam no so. De me yire beba be kiro. That's.
But I have been flossing. Amane woni. Driver. Yeah, quite.
Whiny, Diany, yeah. Come me water, and come me deep, whiny, Diany, yeah. Come me water, and come me deep, now so when you met me, although when you met me, come me water, and come me deep, now so when you met me, although when you met me, come me water, and come me deep, stress and no berry, the drink is stress, a stretch your mama, they come me, whiny, yeah, oh, baby, whiny, the dear, whiny, dear, come me water, and come me deep, my baby, whiny, Diany, come me water, come me deep, so when you met me, although when you met me, come me water, and come me deep, now so when you met me, although when you met me, come me water, and come me deep, whiny, Diany, yeah. Come me water, and come me deep, oh, you may, whiny, Diany, yeah. Come me water, and come me deep, my command, my Jenny,
Johnson.
Hey, hello, Prof.
Mrs. Johnson.
Hello, Prof.
AGYA the tigress.
Hey, Professor.
AGYA the tigress.
Professor.
Wow.
Professor. Can I have the privilege of hugging you, Prof?
You have it already. AGYA the tigress.
That's me.
AGYA the tigress.
The tigress. Many are going to say, baby.
AGYA, I'm going to this level.
Oh, I say, what up for that? Hey, Prof. Oh, that will be I said.
From on where should we do it? Let's go inside, AGYA.
Hey, Professor.
AGYA the tigress.
You're looking wonderful.
Oh, yes. By the
grace of God.
Oh, no.
I see.
That's enough here.
Okay.
Welcome, Mrs. Johnson.
Thank you, Justice. No, Professor, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
No. I'm saying, can BP and apart from that, I'm watching my figure.
That's my AGYA baby.
I don't want to grow old, Prof.
Mrs. Johnson.
Yes.
I have this serious issue to discuss with you. That's why I invited you here, Mrs. Johnson. Mrs. Johnson, you know, my daughter and your son, it is our responsibility to put them together.
Oh.
And thank God, they both have found the reason they should be together.
This has been my problem for all these years. You know, because I wouldn't sit down for my son to go down the drain.
Never.
With any goal together. But he wouldn't understand.
And it has been my nightmare as well. And thank God, destiny has brought them together. Because no your man would so papa. The boss me be a baba what's that one? No. Oka form musician be or a band guitar the nature. No, I'm had it or a baby we am a wapaman. No, I'm ha. Let's say Ostro Butchanium. Or Butchanium while turn the guapawado. The Quenchman's son, I'm a ban. Wait,
Prof. Say because I'm in Kwan and I'm in Ramani. What do you put a musician saw you? If it's a musician, a bit more once, say one more educated. A be a woman when yes, Cassie are dying to say wait. But can you imagine only a crab me banoco fire? Prof, a zongo girl, an ordinary zongo girl.
My God!
Nanya me he won't crass a buyer anything. Rakia. That won't count to you. Rakia and then they catch a woman. Look, that's how bad it was. Zongo I want to know really. Namikoka, me be a tiame. Oh, yes. It is a ne. Unyanko Panda Roma. Now, chinchi. Now, when you baby, uncle, say, yeah, you mate. Professor. Dixon. And I say, a baby, Bishana. That's just on Yamina. I say, I said, Damanyame. Prof. And I think the earlier we put them together, the better. Let's arrange the wedding so that we have them engaged. Whether our how, then to be few, engage a beautiful wedding. Then what they are worrying. And to me, no way I dream pass. Me know we are dream. Yeah, my bro. My bro.
It's not from.
Radin
brings on a motion and you might the minimum the crack. But you know, then no, sir. Someone and no one's with you. See, I have some papa. See, without winning. It's young as I am, sir. They put it to
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Here you are.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow.
Have a taste and see whether you like it.
Okay.
Do you like it?
It tastes good.
It's my favorite whiskey. Now, shall we toast?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Wow.
What are you doing?
Trying to do some graphics, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Good. My dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Since you met my son, have you felt anything for him?
I think I like him. He's a nice guy to be with.
You do? Good. So, do you mean to tell me that if he wants to ask your hand in marriage, you will accept it?
Yes, ma'am.
How wonderful, wonderful. Then, what is keeping the two of you from marrying?
He hasn't proposed yet.
Really? He hasn't proposed? Why? You are the problem. Why can't you make him propose? Make him propose! Let him propose. Huh? Use your tricks. I mean, the tricks of women. Let him propose tonight. Make him propose. Tomorrow by this time, I want to hear the good news, okay? Alright?
Alright, Mom.
Okay.
I will.
Let's cheer for that. Let's cheer. Yeah.
You are my puppy.
Before we go to this.
Austin, come on. Let me tell you some beer no person there all the time.
Just will be no chill for us and popcorn. You don't move for me, actually.
I've seen it now. Then
Close your eyes. Catherine, how is it? Shagana to say we Benam is Mamma Nodo. A copy we are seeing here, say, the piano, Sabu, and anti country.
so happy.
I'm in Chendu, I will find you. We and I'm bed. Thank you. Yes.
And my body was your part of me say And then it be a Jenny better man in the middle. If you ask my way, we need Sika, we need your when it be swag, drinking padu, the co-room. Second person worry sickly. We in the person worry denny. It may be a Juma, and for us, we are judge, doctor, soldier, minister, liberal, teacher, and I said driver. And so young to 40, we are say, a BC a Pema, a BC and no crack, a BC a shakra. That's how we are question for shit. That's why you've been crying. But now we're one any jar. Yanum na wabo, party I say, yes, Yanum na wabo, Adore I say, Yanum na wabo, radio to TV, so Yanum na wabo. It's who send them to 4. Yes, you won't fast swapper. It's who send them to 4. Say, yes, you won't fast swapper.